Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use FancyZones in Microsoft PowerToys step by step. FancyZones is a powerful window management tool that helps you organize your desktop by snapping applications into custom layouts, making multitasking much easier. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerToys on your Windows computer and select FancyZones from the list of utilities on the left. Make sure the feature is enabled by turning on the Enable FancyZones toggle if it isn't already. Next, click Launch Layout Editor to open the Layout Designer. Here you can choose from several preset layouts or create your own custom arrangement based on how you like to organize your windows. You can adjust the number, size, and position of each zone to fit your workflow. Once you've selected or created a layout, save your changes and close the editor. Now, open the applications you want to organize on your desktop. Hold the Shift key while dragging a window, and you'll see the FancyZones layout appear on your screen. Simply drag the window into the zone where you want it to stay, then release the mouse button. Repeat the same process for your other applications until each one is placed in its own zone. This makes it much easier to work with multiple windows at the same time without constantly resizing or rearranging them manually. If you ever want to change your layout, just reopen the Layout Editor and select a different preset or customize your existing zones. FancyZones remembers your settings, so your preferred layout is always ready when you need it, and that's it. You now know how to use FancyZones in Microsoft PowerToys to organize your workspace and boost your productivity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.